Hey, you, the beautiful nature reminds me where we left last time. Are you still in Deepavali mood? Would you be ready to hear a few more songs as I assured you on Moon? Welcome back to the Mood and Moon Part 2. Anand Bakshi attributes humane qualities to the moon in his iconic song Chanda O Chanda from 1971's movie Lakhon Mein Ek. Composed by R.D. Burman, this is picturized by the comedian Mahmood and Radha Saluja. How the moon is in solitude, what with darkness being only his companion, and how he spends sleepless nights, how nobody cares for the moon just like any other man is so well depicted in this particular song. And listen to the original song either in the voice of Kishore Kumar or Lata Mangeshkar, then you would understand what a striking equation Anand Bakshi arrives at by comparing the moon and the man. So let us have a glimpse of this particular song, Chanda Wo Chanda from Lakhon Mein Ek. हंस के मैं तेरा मन बहलाऊं अपने आंसू मगर इसे मैं दिखाऊं हंस के मैं तेरा मन बहलाऊं अपने आंसू मगर इसे मैं दिखाऊं मैंने तो गुजारा जीवन सारा बेसहारा जागे सारी रहना तेरे मेरे नैना जागे सारी रहना तेरे मेरे नैना चंदा वो चंदा चंदा वो चंदा किसने चुराई तेरी मेरी निंदिया जागे सारी रहना तेरे मेरे नैना. अरे hold on, the moon being compared to a beggar's ball sounds far-fetched, but not all that far to the likes of Gulzar. Have you ever intently listened to that soothing song sung by Lata Mangeshkar from 1971's movie Mere Apne, picturized on the legendary Meena Kumari Vinod Khanna, set to tune by the music maestro Salil Chowdhury? To what an extent a poet, a lyricist can go in describing the moon, here you are with the classical example. जाए बेकारन रात रोज खेली आए रोज खेली जाए चांद कटोरा लिए बेकारन रात रोज खेली आए रोज बेचारी जाए. वैसे तो ढेर सारे गाने हैं चांद पर. किसी और दिन I shall present the medley of most of the songs on Chand. Let me conclude this episode with my all-time favorite ghazal on Chand, very ably rendered by the talented singer Talat Aziz. Heart-melting lyrics are written by Sheher about whom you should know that he has been the recipient of Jnanapita Award, Kendra Sahitya Academy Award, and was heading as the HOD of Urdu department at Aligarh Muslim University. Equally competent music composer Khayyam has set this ghazal to the tune. Of course, from the movie Umrao Jan, where it is picturized on Rekhaji and Farooq Sheikh. With all these big wigs, it is but natural this 1981's movie bagging 4 National Award and 2 Filmfare Awards. We must remain grateful to the film director Muzaffar Ali for bringing this Urdu poet to pen all ghazals of Gaman and Umrao Jan. Here, the poet outrightly rejects the conventional concept, moon being the ultimate metaphor for beauty. He feels and argues that being with one's beloved, one can transform this mundane world, this monotonous earth, much better, more beautiful than the moon. Listen to the lyrics intently. Please tolerate my humble attempt of this classic. जिंदगी जब भी तेरी बज़्म में बुलाती है हमें, जिंदगी जब भी तेरी बज़्म में लाती है हमें, ये ज़मीं चांद से बेहतर नजर आती है हमें, ये ज़मीं चांद से बेहतर नजर आती है हमें. हर मुलाकात का अंजाम जुदाई क्यों है, हर मुलाकात का अंजाम जुदाई क्यों है, अब तो हर वक्त यही बात सताती है हमें, अब तो हर वक्त यही बात सताती है हमें, ये ज़मीं चांद से बेहतर नजर आती है हमें, जिंदगी जब भी तेरी बज़्म में लाती है हमें. To know more about some special lyrics and the lyricists, keep watching the forthcoming episodes. Thank you so much.